It's better, Abi. What is that thing that is called? Okay, let me clean it again. Let me clean it again. Is it okay? Is it okay? Wait, let me bring something to change.
Live. Yes. I want the live.
Give me toilet tissue. Give me toilet tissue. Can you see very well? What is rocking my face? Wait, let me clean it very well. Okay. I believe it's better. Is it better now? Okay. You see that is a cloud? Can you see me? Can you? Is it okay? I think it's not. Prince, come. You see there is a cloud in my video. It's not bright. They say there is a cloud in my video. Come and see. Come and see. Let me even cover my face. It's like something is covering my face.
Can you see it?
You say there is a cloud in your video. Is it okay? Somebody said, I said from the phone quality.
Yes.
Yes.
But it was not like that yesterday. Can you see it very well? It's like I have to start the phone again. Is it okay? No. He said no. It's like my face is being covered or what? Am I saying it's not? Is it the brightness? Is it that the thing is not bright or what? Okay, it was not like that, but too much like today.
Okay.
Hide in video. Which one will be hiding? Set it very well now. But it was not like that today. Is it okay?
Is it okay?
Is it? I don't understand what is happening. Is it that the phone is not bright or it's not showing my face?